so connecting to KNUST Wi-Fi on Android 11 and 12. But mind you, I'm using Android 10 at the moment, so this will work for Android 10, 11 and 12. But if you are using an earlier version of Android, I'll provide a link you to where you can find the video on how to connect to KNUST Wi-Fi on your Android. So just a quick tip: move to your settings, click on settings. My phone just could be different, and then you realize that I'm running Android 10. Well, I'm good to go. So first thing first, I'll head over to my browser, and I've been using Google Chrome, one of my favorite browsers. Okay, yours could be Tor, could be Opera Mini, but I recommend Google Chrome. So tap on it, and then tap on the search bar. Okay, so there's the link bit.ly/KWiFi12. Don't worry, I'll provide the link in my description or in the comment section. So enter. Let's wait. You'd have to have a bundle, just a small bit of bundle to do this. For those who have Dropbox already installed on your phone, automatically this link will open your Dropbox account. Okay, and then you just download it. But for those who are still using the website version of the Dropbox, you just click on continue to website, and they will download both EduRoam and then a KNUST Wi-Fi. So tap on EduRoam, download. So take notice of where the file will be downloaded to. For mine, I'm choosing my download folder as where my files will be downloaded to. So click on download, and then alright, so we're done with the EduRoam. Let's go back. Let's click on KNUST Wi-Fi. Click on it. Okay, usual, download it. Alright, so just click on download. Alright, so you are done. So let's head over to our home screen. So we head over to our settings. Alright, settings. Okay, so tap on network and internet. Yours might be just Wi-Fi. Just tap on anything that shows internet or that talks about internet. So there's it. Click on Wi-Fi. Alright, so let's go. Let's head over to let's click on Wi-Fi preferences. Okay, so you click on it, and then click on install certificate. Click on it. Alright, so it might ask you which file explorer you want to open the file with. For mine, I'm choosing TX File Explorer. Yours could be different. Yours could be files. Okay, so just click on once, and then you remember we downloaded our file into the downloads folder. So click on download, and then let's install the Wi-Fi certificate. So click on it, select, verify that it's you. Yes, it's me. Alright, so for the name, we can use any name, but then just to be so consistent with what you are doing, let's type KNUST Wi-Fi. Alright, great. Another condition I use, tap on it, is tap on Wi-Fi. But mind you, to my Android 11 and 12 folks, you won't see the credential used. You just have to name your certificate and you're good to go. Okay, so click on OK. Alright, it has been installed. We go back, click on KNUST Wi-Fi. Under the EAP method, we choose what TTLS, the normal configuration. Under the phase 2 authentication, we choose PAP. Under the CA certificate, we will tap on the KNUST Wi-Fi. Alright, then under the domain, you will type wifi.knust.edu.gh. Alright, so to my Android 11 and 12 users. Alright, so you might find two things, okay, with the certificate. You might find system certificate and another certificate. So when you just tap on the SID certificate and then you choose the KNUST Wi-Fi, for the second certificate, you just choose do not verify or do not validate. All right, it's as simple as that. Then you head over, you type the domain wifi.knust.ed.gh, and then under the identity you type your username. Simple as that. That's my username. And then mind you, for those who have enabled autofill, when you tap on the autofill, there is a space that comes behind your username. Space is a character, just like how L is a character, just like how P is a character. And then my username is not coupon5 and then another character, it's just coupon5. Alright, so if you are using the autofill, make sure you delete the character right after your username, which is the space. So just delete it. Alright, so just to be safe, just make sure you type your username. Just type it. I mean, how hard could it be? Alright, another password. Type your password. Credentials, right? Don't worry, you don't see the password. So, alright. So we are done checking if everything is correct. Alright, and then click on connect. And voila, we've connected to the KNUST Wi-Fi.